Hey guys, and it's time for OnePlus to announce the OnePlus 6T. We are just a few hours away from the official announcement, and I think at this point we have covered almost all the news. But we never saw a real life image of that smartphone. But that's gonna change today, presenting you the final leak, final look at the OnePlus 6T with its box. And I believe this is the last minute leak. I'm really excited. Probably this is going to be my last video on the OnePlus 6T leaks and rumors. So this is the box, looks very similar to the OnePlus 6 package. It's white in color, not a shocker at all. I really hope from 2019 at least, OnePlus should make some beautiful boxes for their phones. And the rear side of this box is also same, there is nothing new. It says midnight black color option and 128 gigs of internal storage. And yeah, the OnePlus 6 is going to start with 128 gigs only. There is going to be no 64 GBs of internal storage model. So that's gonna be much storage you are getting, and also the price hike. Inside the box you are getting a dash charger and a red USB-C cable. There is no earphones or headphones. I think they will include the dongle inside the box cause you are not getting a headphone jack with the OnePlus 6T. Alright, so here's your first look to the OnePlus 6T inside the box. Looks gorgeous, all screen, drop notch, and OnePlus has highlighted the fingerprint sensor, the in-display fingerprint sensor. And the interesting part is it says to maximize the performance of your in-display fingerprint sensor, we recommend using screen protector from OnePlus, the official OnePlus, or our official partners. So maybe if you use another screen protector, your in-display fingerprint sensor might not work as expected or might work slow. So you should note this thing, you should note. And here's the rear panel of the OnePlus 6T. There is no fingerprint sensor because it's on the front and no triple cameras as you were expecting. And yeah, that's all the final look at the OnePlus 6T before the announcement. So summing up everything, you are getting a Snapdragon 845 CPU, new Oxygen OS with Android Pie, 128/256 gigs of internal storage, 6 GBs of RAM and 8 GBs of RAM option, no headphone jack, 6.4 inches of gorgeous display with border drop notch, in-display fingerprint sensor, 16+20 megapixel f1.7 camera, and a 20 megapixel f1.7 front facing shooter. Just wow. And at last there is a 3700 mAh battery, and that is something impressive. So this is it guys, thank you for watching all my OnePlus 6T videos. This was the final leak. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace out.